Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, today we are doing a 3D printed Beyblade battle. You already know based on the title, Smite is continuing his miniature rampage through all of my DB bays. And I recorded this video earlier today, but I had to cut it early. So, yeah, we have Ultimate Valkyrie stock combo going up against Cosmic Smite stock combo. Let's do this thing. I'm in a pretty good mood. So, explosiveness is needed. Not like that, though, because that is just... Smite exploded. Okay. Noted. You can burst Smite by just pushing your finger on top of the layer key he has. Also, guys, pretty much... I want to tease something real quick. So, I know I said I'm not going to be working on any newer Smites for a while, but I lied. There's one more Smite that is going to be worked on for quite a while. And, I already got its name down and everything, and, I have the assistance of Flashpoint. So, yeah, we will be working on that new Smite, and, yeah, it's going to be unlike any other bay you guys have ever seen, to be honest. Let's try this again, though, shall we? Smite, don't do this with me now. Be a good Beyblade. Okay, let's try this. Why? Why you be autistic now? There we go. First to 7 points. 1-0. Yee. If you hear a lot of beeping in the background, ignore it. Kids, keep this show on the road. Oh, Smite back up. Oh! 3-0. Ultimate would have had it if he had not struck Smite at the end there to get him out of said pocket. Mwahaha. Mind you, my Ultimate Valkyrie's variable is fully worn down, so of course he's going to be as aggressive as he possibly can be. So yeah, let's get this to keep going. Oh my god! 5-0. Mwahaha. But yes, the Smite that I'm miniaturely teasing at the moment in time, it's going to be unlike any other bay you guys have ever seen. It has a completely new gimmick. It uses a gimmick that has never been used that many times. It's just going to be something brand spanking new that, trust me, is going to be... It's not even going to be similar to any other Smites other than the fact that it is a Smite Beyblade. And it'll have similar properties like Cosmic. But that's all I can give up for now. Big hits. Finally, 5-1. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it under the ropes for now. But yeah, no, it's not going to be around for a long time, but when it does come around, you guys will be the first to see it. Okay, so these impacts are really heavy, and let's keep this going. Jesus Christ! I don't know what happened there. All I know is Smite was in the pocket before Ultimate Valkyrie bursted, so that's 5-2. Yeah, Ultimate Valkyrie has really good teeth. It's just, or more or less really good burst resistance. It's just that it's super aggressive and has the same faulty error that Mark 1 Smite has, where the bash contact points cause its teeth to pretty much go down quite a lot, quite fast. No! You idiot. Don't be a dummy, Smite. Be a genius. Be good. Be smart. Because that's exactly what you are. God freaking dang it. I always gotta check my sparking launcher. Because you never know if it's jammed or not. Heavy impacts! All it takes is one burst. And we ain't getting it this time. Was that 3 or 4-0? God dang it! He was a chin hair away from bursting. A small chin hair. I'm gonna say that's 4-5. Smite, pick up the pace. Come on! Hit each other! 5-5. This is bad. Smite, hit him hard. Stop avoiding him. You need to do the impacts. You are an attack type, not a... whatever running away is. A coward type. I don't know. I wish I had never said that by now. You're weird. You know you're weird. Oh! Come on! Fine, 6-5. God! Ultimate Valkyrie keeps being a nut tap away from bursting. Come on, dude. Just burst. It's not hard. That's 7-6. 7-5, I mean. Not 7-6. 7-5. Smite wins. Okay, so with that being said, this is actually a shorter video, but you know, both attack types hit hard. Both have kind of not great stamina, but you know, well, it manages. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys in today's video. Kind of a shorter one than what I usually been doing. I have a lot of energy, and I'm very, very much so in a good mood. But yeah, that new Smite. I can't give out much of any information about it. All I can say is that it uses gimmicks that have been used in the past, but in a minorly different way. And it has a completely new gimmick that has never before been seen by anyone. And it's never before been used by any Beyblade. So, yeah. Until that time comes, it'll remain a mystery. And its name will probably be the last thing that I reveal about it. But, yeah, no. That's all I got. That's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed this video, though. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.